Hey y'all, it's Missy. This is my reaction video to G20 Unspoken Word. Woo! I'm so excited. Okay, I'm really excited. So here we go. Hold on, I need to make the screen a little bigger. There we go. All right. Parrot. Ooh. Presents. Oh, snap. Oh, hell no, you did not just knock over my drink. Sorry. Oh, so pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Don't cry. Oh, shit. Things just escalated quickly. Well, that escalated quickly. Woo. Hold on, Dad. Hold on. Alright, I have to restart my reaction because, yeah, I got interrupted. So, yeah, here we go. Ooh. Oh, they look so good. It's like futuristic, jazzy. Woo. She's pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, she's jealous. Woo! Nice car. Oh, G20 has such good voices. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my god, she's stalking her? Oh, snap. Wait, is that a tracking device or something? Oh, snap. Oh, they're all in this. Oh, guys going down. Ooh, snap. I love this song. He's like, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, he's about to die. What the hell? What did she shoot? Oh, the mirror. What? Man, you should have shot him. He's probably counting his blessings right now. Oh, I'm alive. I loved it. Now I can watch their live stages and stuff. Yes. Oh, I really like this song. I like the story plot too. Like that was Mr. You're lucky you're still alive. So yeah, this was my reaction to G20 Unspoken Word, and I hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.